Hey y'all, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl JKC and Nike, back with another video. And in today's video, this is going to be like my comeback to YouTube. I am showing you guys how I created my new YouTube intro. I've been away for about 6 months, and really and honestly, this 6 months has taught me a lot, and I feel like this was kind of the break that I needed. But I am slowly but surely, gradually making my way back to YouTube, because I actually connect with a lot of you guys outside of YouTube. A lot of you guys email me, and I just want to say, first off, thank you guys for getting my video. I don't want to say it's my first ever Canva YouTube intro video, but the most viewed video. Thank you guys for getting it to 22K. And then also thank you guys for getting my second most viewed video to 9.9K. It is almost at 10K. And one of the questions that I get asked the most is, how do I find my elements, my graphics, my backgrounds, and everything like that for Canva? So if you are like following along in the video, I'm just showing you guys basically all that I'm doing, and I go to elements, and whatever I'm feeling design wise, I just type it in, basically like using keywords. If I cannot find this specific thing that I'm typing in on Canva, then I'm going straight to Pinterest. Like, Pinterest has pretty much everything for free, and Canva has a lot of free resources as well. And Canva also has Canva Pro. So if you have never heard of Canva before, don't know how to work it, or whatever the case may be, Canva Pro is just like the advanced or the subscription part of Canva. Sometimes I have Canva Pro, sometimes I don't. It's just basically how I'm doing as far as graphic wise, monthly or whatnot. But if you don't want to purchase Canva Pro and you really like an element or a background or whatever the case may be that has the Pro symbol on it, you can always purchase credits. Like, you can do credit packages, like 5 credits for $5.99, 10 credits for $10.99, whatever. But I'm literally just in the search showing you guys what to search up or what to look for. It's so simple, so easy. And most of the times, if you aren't creative or you don't want to start from scratch like I do or other people do, they have templates already that you can pretty much just change the text and the colors to. In no way, shape, form, or fashion is Canva just going to leave you hanging talking about, hey, you have to create your own designs or anything like that. Because I do have people that come to me and say, I'm just not creative at all. I don't know what I'm doing, and like, how do I create some of the things that you create? And I'm just gonna be honest. Canva, if you don't know how to do anything, Canva gonna have a template for you. Canva is gonna have a template for you. I use a lot of their templates when I'm in a creative funk. But most of the time, when I am able to create things out of my own imagination, or like through inspiration or whatever the case may be, it comes out amazing. And then those templates, they also come out amazing. I use a lot of their templates for my YouTube thumbnails. But basically, Canva is just so easy, and I'm not sponsored by them in any shape, form, or fashion. But Canva, if y'all see these videos, holler at your girl for some coin, because baby, I put a lot of people on to y'all, and it's about time. It's about time that I get my money, my reparations. Do you hear me? But no, I really enjoy Canva. I've been using it for about 3 years now, and it's just so easy. But I just want to check in and let you guys know that yes, I am okay, because some of you guys email me, you connect with me on Instagram, YouTube, Snapchat, Facebook, whatever, and you guys always ask me, when are you coming back? And I'm coming back soon. But I just wanted to make this video like an introductory video of me coming back to YouTube. And then in the next video, I'm just going to explain to you guys about why I was MIA for a while, why I took the break that I needed, what I learned, and the new direction for my channel. So the rest of this video, you guys can just watch me work on the screen. This is a different interface. I am working from my iPad now. No more laptop, but we strictly iPad gang over here. But yes, you guys can watch me work, and I'm using an Apple Pen if you see a little black line over the cursor or whatever the case may be. But watch me work, listen to some tunes, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.